guys, welcome back to another video of me. Today we're gonna search for tornadoes since I don't know, up then. Also remember, like and subscribe. Today's game is 1174. Bruh. There could be some potential storm, so yeah, let's get into it. Come on. New storm forming near Hibbing. Go to Hibbing. Starting your initial descent. Let me just. Bruh, wrong way. Here, go this way. Oh. Yep, we're in this path. Severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Beltrami County in north-central Minnesota.
Okay, we're going there.
Modena County in north-central
Gonna.
Minnesota.
Oh,
A severe thunderstorm capable
this is good thing this is an off-road because
was located near Wilshire Valley.
Wilshire Valley. We're in this path.
Thunderstorm will impact the following
There's a random guy going towards Dude.
Avoid Prior Lake, Fontainebleau, Angora, Trent, Wilshire Valley. For your protection, move
Weep.
into any building. Avoid windows.
Avoid windows. I'm coming towards you. Hibbing. Instead, I'm going towards Prior Lake. I'm gonna turn this way. Gonna turn that way. Oh my god. Oh, that's why. My sheepy hop up. Oh, see, superstar. Because it's from Mexico. Oh my god. I don't need to take that turn. Cause you don't need that turn. Oh wait. Ooh, rotation. Where did it go? Bruh, skip. Biggest weakening. I think. Oh, never mind. She goes towards the Prior Lake. Go to Prior Lake. Yep. Key soda. Oh my god. Bruh. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. What's going on over here? It's coming towards Prior Lake. I think it's gonna be like EF1 or EF. Where did it go? Where did it go? No, it's not peace. Yay! Where am I? This would be like a weak one, but where the is it? I mean, ooh, yeah. About that tornado. I don't know what the f***'s going on. Ooh, if you see that tornado warning, if it's true, yeah, we got a confirmed tornado. Right to the left or right of me. Oh, wait, whoop. Oh, there it is. What the? I'm coming. There's a man on the wing. Whip. come towards him. Come towards. Ooh. It's gonna hit these homes. Oh, yes, it is. Deploying my probes. Already got this one more probe. I'm gonna survive in the house. I gotta stay away from windows. He's coming towards here. Come on. What the? Oh my god. Where's it going? Oh my god. Woo! The guy's coming towards here. I can feel it. Oh my god, it's so close to Prior Lake. It's in Prior Lake. Oh my god, I see. Oh my god. Oh no. The lights went out. The lights went out. Oh no. It's hitting here. It's right here. See me? Ooh, 68. The current speed is now. Oh my god. It's blowing up. Oh no, it's hitting. It's hitting. I see destruction. Well, I don't. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. I'm in the house. Hope it. I don't know. Whoa. It looks like the storm is weakening. Oh, there's one more red. Okay. Time for our move. Oh my god. Yeah, about that. Yeah. How did my car survive? Go. Just go. Go to it. Almost risk my whole entire life. Yeah. Ooh, EF4 damage. It's now EF4. Go. I missed my whole entire house. Well, except it only hits the thingies. I forgot what they're called. But let's do it, boys. And why am I going over that? Looks like it's trying to go down. Oh, it landed. It landed it. Oh my god. I'm passing. How do you know what's it even doing? Oh. It's like a stone pipe, boy. Oh, look at that on top. Look, it's like it's going towards the highway. Yep, it is. It is going towards the highway. Yep, it's going through the highway. We're followed by this guy. Never mind, we're following that guy now. Take a turn later. 3, 2, 1. Whee! Oh my god. What are you doing? You gotta go to the tornado. Oh my god. It's right there. It's close to. Oh my god. Let's go to it. I'm risking it. Wee. Life is Roblox. Oh my god. Get in. Get in the car. 80. Looks like it missed me. Weak tornado. It's now EF2 rating. Okay, get my pros back. Chase it. Get my probes. Chase it. Everyone's off-roading, but I'm faster. What the?
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for
Go towards. Oh my god. Oh, what happened to that tree? Yep. Yeah, that tree's. Oh, never mind. Oh, the one piece fell out.
capable of producing a tornado is located near Palmer.
It's not a wedge. But it looks like a wedge. Go to it. There's a man on the wing. There's a man on the wing. Chicken nuggies. I'm coming towards you. Go back. Go back. Where is he? Oh no. Oh no. Hey, what? Wow, tornado that has clear vision. Oh yeah. Oh. We have hailstone also. Hail, where the hail core? I don't know. Oh, it's rising. It looks like. What's the cape today? I forgot. Yep, that. My god. It destroyed that one tree. What the? That poor. These poor trees was hit by the tornado, but many survived. We got 60,000 right now, and then I wish I had more. Don't have much Robux. Only have one more left. I need 900 more to get. Oh, what the? We're gonna turn that way. Oh. God, I missed it. Police is vertical. That's what we're so. Yep. Oh my god. Why? No, rise. Don't you even dare. Don't let them get followed. Hey, what's up, man? Yo, man. Where am I going? New tornado. New tornado's forming. Why is he much faster than me? There's more behind me. Come on. Let's do this. Oh, it's EF2 rating. It's not wet no more. Oh, power flashes. What the? No! It's gone. For all that hard work. Just for it to be gone. Oh, go back. Go back. New tornado. New tornado forming. Go back. I'm going towards the new tornado. Man, I'm in my bed and I don't know how I'm still surviving. There it is. Going up. Now it's gone. Going towards the new tornado. We must do what we want. Go straight. Yes. Straight. No. It's gone now. Bruh. Oh, why is that lowering? Never mind. That's not lowering. It's going towards my house. My house in Prior Lake. That's just me. Up. Also, we've been to a festival. Now the. Oh god. Yeah, about that. Where the.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Beltrami County in north central Keysota, Modena County in north central Keysota. A severe
How do you see animation? Oh no. No more tornadoes. No more. No more tornadoes. No more. No more. What, bruh. Bruh. Bro, my God. How the fuck? It hit my leg. It hit my home. But how did it survive the? We're going to the path. We're going through the path of the other tornado. The other tornado. No, dead. Where's the first? Bam. Where is it? Oh, it's him hipping. Yeah. There's one near hipping. Weak. Where is it? Oh, near Dakota. Another week. First one. Where is it? Near Pride Lake. It hit Trent. Strong. Oh my god. That's a huge boy. No more tornado? No tornado? Nope. No tornado? No beans. Mains, what the